Our next topic is formatting tables. So in this formatting table, we are going to make our table more attractive by designing it. So we are going to shade the cell, we are going to change the size and alignment of the table, and we are going to move the table from one location to another and add graphics to your cell. So add graphic means adding some pictures or some shapes inside your table. So now we are going to see how to do this in the system. Now we are going to see how to format a table. So in formatting a table, we are going to shade our, giving shade to our cell or row or column. Okay, so now I am going to select a cell first. First one cell can also be shaded. So before giving shading to your table, select the cell first. Okay, and then go to design tab. In the table tools, there is 2 tabs. In that, choose design tab. In design tab, go to shading option, and in the drop down arrow you can able to select the colors. So now I selected orange color, so you can see one cell is shaded. So like this you can select the next cell and you can choose the color like this to shade and make your table more attractive. So you can also select the column and choose the color for that, and select the row, and also you can shade color for your row. So by doing like this, you are making your table more attractive. Okay, so you can select row or column or a single cell to shade it. Okay, so now our table is more colorful. You can select one single row or double row to shade it. Okay, so now you can see our table is more colorful. Okay children, how to shade it? Clear? Okay, so shading is over, and the next one we are going to see is how to change the size of the cell. So while you place your mouse pointer in the grid lines, in the row line, you can see a 2-headed arrow there. So just click and drag it. You can increase the height of the cell. Okay, so you can able to adjust the size of the cell like this. Okay, so if you place a mouse pointer in the column line, grid line, okay, again the mouse pointer is changed into 2-headed arrow. Okay, you can click and drag it. So the cell is automatically adjust. So you can able to increase the height and width of your cell. So this is way to change the size. And at the corner, at the resize handle, if you press and drag it, the size of the table is increased. Okay, you can also decrease if you reduce it. Okay, so that is the use of resize handle, and table move handle is used to move your table from one location to another. If you click and drag it, the table will be moved from one place to another. Okay, so this is how to change the size and how to move your table. Okay, and the next one we are going to see is alignment. So select the cell and right click on the cell. So you can see an option named as cell alignment. Select the cell, right click, choose cell alignment. So you can able to choose any type of alignment to make your text in the center. Okay, this is called cell alignment. And the next one is we are going to insert a graphic inside your table. That means one small picture. Okay, small picture inside your table. So just click on insert tab, either from picture or from clip art. You can choose any one. Okay, so now I am going to click on clip art, and I am choosing one picture from the clip art option. Let me choose a car. Okay, so just double click on it. So the picture is inserted inside your cell. So resize your picture, make it small, comfort inside the cell. Okay, so now we inserted a graphic inside our table. Okay, so now our table is created with attractive designs. Shading is over, cell alignment is over, and we inserted a graphics too. Okay, so now you can able to type your homeworks and your class test inside your table. Okay, so if you are not having any homework or class test, in that day you can able to put your graphics thing. Okay, so you are free on that time. So you can take a printout and keep it in your study table to do your homework and prepare for your class test properly. You can share this information to your friends also easily because you are structured, you are scheduled your work in a table format. Clear, children? Thank you so much. So in this topic, table in MS Word, we have seen how to create a table, how to modify a table, how to format a table, and how to add a picture inside a table. Please try this in your system, children, to create a table. Okay? Read your lesson carefully and try this in your system. Thank you so much. Bye.